Kate and Wendy Charleston Clothing is marketed as a Southern-inspired fashion boutique offering stylish clothing and accessories. The name and branding may give the impression that it's a local Charleston business, but the real question is it a real Southern store? Now, to be fair, many online fashion brands use city names or regional themes in their branding. That doesn't necessarily mean the company is based or operated in that location. What it does well: stylish fashion selection. The store offers a variety of dresses, tops, outerwear, and everyday wardrobe essentials. Attractive pricing. Frequent sales and promotions can make many items appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart, the branding may create assumptions. Having Charleston in the name doesn't automatically mean the business is based in South Carolina or locally owned. Check the company details. Before buying, look for the business address, contact information, and where orders are actually shipped from. Product quality may vary. Like many online boutiques, the materials, fit, and finish may not always match the promotional photos. So, should you buy from Kate and Wendy Charleston Clothing? Short answer: maybe, but verify the details first. If you like the clothing and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't assume it's a local Southern boutique simply because of its name or branding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.